Hi Aces! Welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and today we're going to hear from Heather Ferris, who's here to break down today's key points about how to boost your tips by mastering top-notch customer service skills. Ready to boost your income without waiting for a raise? This video reveals the secrets to increasing your tokes by mastering the art of customer service, sharing practical tips and clever strategies to keep your players engaged, happy, and tipping generously, all while staying within the casino's rules. But before we get started, I just want to remind you to like, subscribe, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that way you'll always be notified of our latest videos and live streams. If you're brand new to this channel, Vegas Aces helps people learn how to play casino table games. As a way to give back to our community, we teach people how to deal at no cost. Visit our free online dealing trade school at vegas-aces.com for more information. Vegas Aces has evolved into a marketing business that helps casino game inventors bring their idea to fruition, developing their game and helping inventors place their new game on the casino floor. Now, on with the show.
The goal of this video is to teach you how to increase your income without having to change jobs. And where is that extra cash going to come from? From the customer in the form of tokes. Now, let me ask you a question. When was the last time you tipped a rude and insulting employee? My point being is if you want a raise, then you're going to have to work on your customer service skills. I have 15 steps that will help you make money. And the first step is to establish a goal, which we've already done. Since your base pay isn't changing anytime soon, we'll need to focus on increasing your tokes, which means focusing on the customer and customer service. Now, thankfully, you don't have to make the player happy in order for them to tip you. Most players will give the dealer a toke if they feel that a genuine effort has been made. Just be sincere. Having an authentic interest in having a social interaction with the player is half the battle. And since dealers are the casino's frontline employees, we're in a unique position of having the opportunity to establish a rapport with the players. And if the player likes you, then they'll stay at your table longer and give you more tokes. But in this quest for more tokes, keep in mind that hustling can still result in termination. Dealers must avoid any form of solicitation from the player. Don't even talk about it unless you're answering a player's question about tipping. Now, I know this may seem a little strict, but I'll share a secret with you. The dealers in Las Vegas found a small loophole that seemed to work pretty well. However, it's right on the edge of the line, so be careful. When the player changes $100, give him $95 in red chips and $5 in $1 chips. Don't say anything. Just give it to the player like you do that with every buy-in. Which, by the way, you should do it for every buy-in. If the player asks you what the dollars are for, then you can say, that's in case you want to tip your cocktail waitress or your dealer, and leave it at that. The player must ask for it to be considered not hustling. However, if the player takes the dollar chips and doesn't say anything, then you can't talk about it either. This is the closest the dealer can get to hustling without actually hustling. So, our goal is to make more money by using customer service skills and a few dealing procedures to make your players feel more comfortable on your game. The point is to leave the guests feeling satisfied regardless of whether they won or lost. All that matters is that they want to return, and repeat customers means repeat tokes, which can add up to some serious cash.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel so we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition, and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it's worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke board. This shows the toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your toke numbers via our toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more at our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until next time, stay lucky, Aces.